Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use card discounts on Amazon. First, you'll want to check your credit card issuer's website or app. Many banks partner with Amazon to offer special savings, sometimes giving you 5% or even 10% off certain purchases. Look for active promotions or offers that require you to activate them before shopping. This is the crucial first step to unlocking those valuable savings. Once you've found an active discount, head over to Amazon and add the qualifying items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, make sure you select the specific credit card associated with the promotion as your payment method. Sometimes, the discount applies automatically, but other times you might need to enter a promo code found on your card issuer's site. Always double-check the terms. Before you finalize your purchase, carefully review the order summary. The discount should be clearly displayed, reducing your total amount. If you don't see the savings, go back and ensure you've met all the offer's conditions, like minimum spend or specific product categories. Only proceed to complete your purchase once you've confirmed the discount has been successfully applied to your order. If your discount isn't working, double-check that your card is correctly linked and the offer is still active. Remember, some promotions have specific requirements, like spending a minimum of $50 or purchasing from a particular category. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, and these bottles are fantastic. Happy shopping and enjoy those savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.